Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the cells where you want leading zeros preserved. Once selected, right-click and open Format Cells, choose Text to store entries exactly, or pick Custom to define a pattern. For Custom, type a code like 00000 to force 5 digits. This ensures 01234 stays 01234. You do this now because Excel converts numeric-only input to numbers and strips zeros. Doing the format first prevents that automatic conversion and saves repeated fixes later. If you already have numbers that lost leading zeros, use the text function. For example, equals text A1 00000 to create 5-digit strings. Drag the formula down to cover the range, then copy and paste values over the originals to replace numbers with formatted text. Once done, remove helper columns. For large datasets, make sure to consider Power Query transforms or a short VBA macro to format in bulk. Those methods handle thousands of rows more reliably and faster than manual formulas. To finish, verify sorting and filters because text and numbers behave differently in Excel. Convert back only if you need calculations. If you must perform math, keep a numeric copy in a separate column and display the leading zero version for reporting. If leading zeros disappear, check for earlier automation or workbook events that reset formats. Also confirm paste values was used rather than paste formulas. When things go wrong, look for hidden formats or data import settings that coerce text into numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.